Hello students and welcome back to our English class. Hope you are safe and healthy and studying also at home. Today in our English class we are going to study a very interesting as well as a very inspirational chapter that teaches us a very good lesson. It is the third lesson of our Beehive book and the name of the lesson is The Little Girl and it is written by Katherine Mansfield. Now before going to the lesson, let's learn something about the author and about her famous works. Katherine Mansfield was New Zealand's internationally most famous author. She was a writer of short stories, poetry, letters, journals and reviews. She was a rebel and a modernist. She has written 423 books and her most popular book is The Garden Party. Some more famous short stories written by Katherine are The Doll's House, Miss Brill, The Fly, A Cup of Tea, At the Bay, Prelude. Now let's see the title of our lesson. As the title suggests that the main character that we will come across in the story is the little girl named Kezia. Now before we start our lesson, let's discuss the theme of the story. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents. The story contains the values of love, trust and understanding, and all these values are very important for a happy life for all. Through this story, the writer Katherine Mansfield wishes to tell us that children share a very deep bond of love with their parents. Even though young children do not feel that their parents love and care for them because they are strict to them. Parents' strictness appears unfair to the children. When children are small, when they are young, they feel that their parents don't love them because they are strict. Children, same thing you must also be feeling about your parents. But when children grow up, they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. The parents are concerned for their children and so they know what is good and what is bad for their children. So that is why they become strict and say no for the bad things which are not good for their children. Isn't it, children? The same thing implies on us. But beneath that strictness lies a heart full of love and care for their children. Now let's see the story in short. In this story, there was a little girl named Kezia. She lives with her father, her mother and her grandmother. And she was afraid of her father and tries to avoid him all the time. She feels comforted on seeing his father leaving for office. So the opening lines of the story is indicating the fear that Kezia had for her father. And as she is fearful of her father, she tries to avoid him and she tries to remain away from him. And who is the figure to be feared here? It's Kezia's father. The writer says that when Kezia heard that her father's carriage was going away from home and he was leaving home, she would feel relieved that her father had left. Now why did she feel relieved? Because she feared her father. She was afraid of him and so she was relieved when he left home. In the evening, when Kezia's father would return home, she would hear his loud voice and this loud voice against her made her afraid of him. So Kezia's father returned home. He would start ordering all different things. He would order that tea be served to him in the drawing room. He wanted the newspaper and he would ask her to get his slippers also and remove his boots. Her mother said that if she was a good girl, then she would surely obey her command. So again we see Kezia's fear for her father. That is why she would come down the stairs quietly and unwillingly. Unwillingly because she did not want to face her father. She feared him. Kezia used to stammer, means unable to speak. Why she was stammering? Because she was not confident to speak before her father. But Kezia never stammered while she was speaking to other people. It was only when she talked to her father that she lacked confidence. and she stammered. She feels that her father was so big, he was just like a giant, and the writer says that Kezia felt that his hand and his neck and his mouth were all so huge, especially when he yawned. It seemed as if he was a huge monster. So every Sunday during the afternoon, Kezia's grandmother sent her downstairs to the drawing room in order to spend time with her parents. So what happened? Every Sunday afternoon when she went to her parents to meet them in the drawing room and have a nice talk with them, they were busy doing their own things. Her mother was busy reading and her father was busy sleeping and snoring. So Kezia had this image of her parents in her mind. They did not talk with her. They didn't spend time with her. On the other hand, they were busy doing their own things. So she used to sit and stare them. And you know, children, her father compared her to a brown little owl. Why? Because she used to sit and stare them like an owl. So one day, her grandmother suggested Kezia to prepare a pincushion for her father's birthday. Consequently, Kezia stitches the three sides of the pincushion casing. But after that, she needs to stuff the cushion with something. That's why she goes to her mother's room and there she finds many sheets of fine paper on the table. Then she tears the paper into small pieces and fill the pin cushions and sew up the fourth side. However, she doesn't do that because she doesn't know about the papers were very important speech for the Port Authority of her father. Now that night there was a loud noise and her father was shouting on her mother and Kezia because his important speech was lost, which he kept in his room on the table. Although she accepted her mistake and tries to explain the reason why she does it, but her father was too angry to listen to her reason and punished her with a ruler on her palm. However, she failed to understand why she met out to punishment even after she accepted her mistake. Terribly she said, "Why did God make father?" One evening, she saw her neighbor Mr. McDonald playing with his 5 children, and he was playing in the garden with his children. He was laughing, playing and enjoying with them. So this event influenced Kezia that all fathers are not similar. She thought that some fathers are caring and loving like Mr. McDonald and some are harsh like her father. However, her attitude towards her father changed. But how? One day, her mother became ill and went to the hospital with her grandmother. And Kezia was alone in the house with the cook, Alice. The day went fine, but the night was a different issue. In the middle of the night, she woke up of fear and she started screaming and weeping as she had a terrible nightmare. When Kezia opened her eyes, she saw her father right next to her. Her father carried her to his bedroom and made her comfortable and warm on his bed. Then her father told her to rub her feet with his legs and set them warm. And then she slept feeling comfortable and safe with her father. After that, she realized that her father was not a bad person and he loves and cares for her in his own way. Moreover, he had to work whole day to provide for his family and was too weary by evening to play with her. So her feelings changed from fear to understanding. So children, that day Kezia realized the love and care and concern of her father. So children, through this story, I want you to understand the love and concern of your parents, which is hidden behind their strictness. And this bond of love between parents and their children has been highlighted through this story. I hope you have understood the story. Thank you.